Hello friends, now we are going to see the variables memory allocation in Python with the help of some code here. So we can start assigning a variable here directly like x is equal to 10, and then I am going to try to print the ID of x. ID of x is nothing but ID is a built-in function which is going to give us the specific ID where this x is being stored in our memory location. So I am trying to print this x and its ID. Can you see here? There is a memory location which has been available as the output. Now I am going to be more specific with my print statement so that it will not be confusing. So I just wrote the print statement in detail so that it will not be confusing. Now I'm going to write another variable called y and have the same thing. I'm going to print it as memory location of y, and then I'm going to try to print the ID of y. Now if I run and see this program, can you see memory location of x and memory location of y both are same in this particular program? Because the memory location of 10 is being pointed, as we said before, x and y are pointing to the same object 10. 10 is the memory location which we are pointing. To be more detailed, I can just try to print and show you the memory location of 10 itself. I'm writing ID of 10. Instead of writing a variable name, I'm just writing ID of 10. And if I'm running and seeing this program, so all these three are going to have the same memory location. Now what I'm going to do is, I am going to change the y's value. Y is equal to 20 if I am putting, and now if I'm trying to print the memory location of y after change. And ID of y. If you can see this program, the first three memory locations are same because it was having the only 10 value. After the change of y's memory location, the value of y has been changed in its memory location. If I want to print the memory location of 20, then the after change y's memory value and the memory location of 20 will be the same. So these two values are going to be the same, and all the three values for 10 are going to be the same. So now I think it would be better and clear for you to understand how the memory is being actually located in Python. Yes, thank you.